Well, this isn't the normal sort of thing that I play with. I'm very fond of Jaguar and British classics. I have a lot of respect for Porsche, but I'm by no means an expert on them. So this is a GT2 replica, and there's a very good description of all the detail of it on the website. It's a 1995 vehicle, which has been obviously very substantially upgraded, and it's a Japanese import. So what I'm going to do is just go and have a play with it, like I guess you would do if you were able to do a test drive. Well, let's see what this thing's about. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Well, that's it. That's all I can do. Get up to third gear. Now I'm on the national speed limit. When you're outside this thing, it really makes a fabulous noise. I'll open the window. Let's see if we can hear a bit more. What a super toy.